Hello everyone, meet again with me Irawan Bahtiar. In this video I will show you how to delete or change the video background on Filmora mobile. Okay, if that's the case, let's go straight to the tutorial. Next, open Play Store and download Filmora mobile. If so, then open the Filmora mobile application. Next, click New Project. First, select the background you want to change or delete. Next, select Import. Scroll the menu below, then select Format. Change the video format you want to use. Adjust your image like this. If so, then go back to the menu below. Select PIP, Picture in Picture. Then the video whose background you want to change. Set the video size like this. Go again to the menu below, then select Smart Cutout. Here there are two options that you can use to remove the background. You can use Remove Background or Chroma Key. For example, here I just use Chroma Key. Next, select the green screen color to delete the background. Next, set the strength and shadow more or less like this. Next, you can add many backgrounds to your video. Do it like this. Select the Add button above the video green screen. Go to Stock, then select the background you want to use. Next, select Import. Match the duration of the background with a video like this. Next, set the background again like this. If so, let's try going back to where we started playing and see the results. Next, go to Export, then select the video resolution you want. Select Start Export and wait until the export process is complete. And then you can share your video on the social media platforms below. Okay, that's more or less how to change the video background on Filmora mobile. That's all my tutorial. I hope it's useful for those who have stopped by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, see you in the next video.